Hi, this is Karen. I wanted to do an unboxing video of the stuff I got from the Grove Collaborative, and I will try to add a link so you can get some products yourself if you like. Let's see. I opened the box, but I haven't moved anything. So here's the inside, and I'll just start taking stuff out. Let's see what I got. Okay, well, this is a food container. I've already got one. It has a screw lid, so you know, that's pretty cool. It's made with recycled plastic. All the stuff from this place is like quality products and, you know, earth friendly type stuff. So there's that. And I got a bigger one. I don't have one this size yet, so this will be good when I make spaghetti or something and want to save a bunch of it. This, you can put it in the freezer. It's probably dishwasher safe, is it? Top rack dishwasher safe. Made from recycled stuff. And the lids, you know, don't pop off. They stay on really nicely. There they are. What else do I have? This is all-purpose pest remedy. Kid-friendly, pet-friendly. It won't harm your children or your animals, so that's nice. Let's see, safe. It works pretty well. I've used the roach remedy, which I got some more of that too, just to be safe. I haven't seen too many roaches in this house, but every once in a while I see just one, and that's just to have that on hand, and because there's spiders and stuff in here. This is a little, okay, that's those little like wet wipes for the bathroom, but they're portable. Comes in this container. It's travel friendly. It's in this earthy type box, so probably recyclable. Here, go ahead. There's some like feminine product. So if you're not feminine, just scroll right past this. But it's like zero fragrance free and chlorine free, healthy for you type stuff to have. I may not post this. Let's see, what else? This is trash bags, extra strong, 7th generation. Made with recycled plastic. Good for the environment. I don't remember how much any of this was. I don't see a packing. Oh, there's probably a packing slip in there. I don't know. Okay, Method toilet cleaner. I just needed some toilet cleaner, and I'm like, sure, why not? Method's a good product. This is, oh, some cleaning spray. I forgot what I ordered. Made without bad products. This is Myers. Oh, it's room freshener. I don't even remember. You spray it around. And it's like healthy for you and stuff. This is Myers Clean Day. This is hand soap, right? Haha. Hand soap. Aromatherapeutic household products. Good for you. Good for your environment. This is really exciting for you, I know. And to go with it, hand lotion to go with your soap. Aromatherapeutic rainwater scent. Those came in a set. the soap and then the lotion came as a duo, and you got a little bit more of a discount. That's what is in here? Oh, that's a soap. Hang on. Okay, took the soap out of the package. It smells amazing. Wildflower. I wish you could smell it. Smell it? Do you smell it? Okay.